So, possum control in my orchard. It's always a problem at this time of year. We've got all sorts of fruit, pears, apples, plums, and the possums are coming here. So we're going to install a Flipping Timmy on this apple tree, which is being used a bit at the moment. Finding the right tree at the right height to position your Flipping Timmy. You need to have the perspective that you're going to shift this around a bit through the season. Right now though, I need it in my orchard, so we're going to put it on this apple tree using a running board to make sure that we get the critter in exactly the right position to get a clean kill. If you just have a trap sitting on the tree, any old how, you'll find they're standing on top, they're playing around, they're sticking their hand up, and sometimes you'll get sprung empty traps, you'll get a trap going off and scaring them. So having the running board just helps make sure that you position your possum in the perfect place to get a nice clean kill. You want your Flipping Timmy about a hammer length above the top of your board so your mate can sit on there and stick his head up and engage perfectly with the trap. So that's the basis upon which we're going to install this Flipping Timmy, just a little bit further than where the trap folds down to. So we'll just screw it into place. It's about where we want it. We'll nail the board into place because the last thing you want is a wobbly board. So we'll just tack a couple of nails there. So we've got our Flipping Timmy on our apple tree. We're not going to bait this with apples at the moment because there's so many apples up there. Why would he come and grab one apple when he's got 1,000 to choose from? So we're going to use smooth blue, something real different, some special icing sugar for or ice cream for the possum, additional to his apples. Another thing with the running board, of course, this is an orchard full of chickens, and this helps with protecting non-targets in the bush. That might be a kiwi or a weka. Here in my orchard, it's my chickens. So we're going to bait this trap with smooth blue, not with apple, because there's plenty of apple here. This is something different. And we're going to use our blue at the top of the trap board, the running board, halfway up the running board and down the bottom, bearing in mind that we may lose a bit of that to the chickens. We're going to put a nice big dob on our bite tab. So this little white tab is threaded onto the kill bar or bite bar. Set it up, set the trap. Same deal as with the other predator traps. Scuff the ground, something fresh, blaze, white, something interesting. What possum is going to be able to resist, even in the face of a sea of yummy apples, something different, something interesting, something irresistible to get himself engaged with this device. He'll come up the ramp eventually, he'll be able to sit comfortably there, put his head up, he'll eat all this blue, there's more there, he'll bite the tab, boom, job done.